They found her in someone's yard, somewhere out in the county. Somebody called animal control. They actually thought that she was already deceased. They started to put her in the truck and she started moving.
I thought she had a good chance if she could make it through the night. She might actually recover from all of this. We'll see once we get in and start flushing things out just how bad it is.
Looking at the wounds that she has, I'm surprised she's alive. I definitely did not think she was going to make it. I really hoped, I crossed my fingers and thought about her all night, but ultimately, Amelia had a fight in her. I know she could barely hold her head up and still was purring and giving us affection. She showed us that we might as well give her a shot. So I was excited. We have some wonderful animals that make it through the clinic that maybe would not have made it through otherwise if we didn't have the support of the community that we have. Without their donations, we can't treat the animals. As simple as that. Her recovery process has been really fast. She's amazing. If you're going to be that skinny and in that terrible of shape and you're still going to be fighting, she's probably going to be a spicy lady. And she definitely is. I went to pet her this morning, and if you go reach towards her, she'll back away, hiss, or swat at you. But I just picked her up and turned her on her back, and she was making biscuits and like purring and let me hold her like a baby. I mean, Amelia, so she's quite spicy and delightful. Yeah, I love that cat.